In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clear and useful dashboard in Smartsheet. The first thing you want to do is open Smartsheet and spend a moment reviewing the dashboard area or any example dashboards available to you. This is a great way to understand what a finished dashboard can look like before you start building your own. As you look around, pay attention to how information is grouped, how charts and metrics are displayed, and how the overall layout helps viewers quickly understand what matters most. Once you've done that, decide what your dashboard should actually show. This is one of the most important parts of the process because a good dashboard is focused and intentional. Think about the audience and what they need to see at a glance. For example, your dashboard might highlight project status, key performance indicators, major risks, upcoming deadlines, or a combination of these. Try to keep the purpose simple and clear so the dashboard doesn't become crowded or confusing. After that, create the reports or metric sheets that will supply the data for your dashboard. These reports act as the foundation behind what people will see. If you want to display open tasks, overdue items, summary totals, or progress numbers, make sure those reports or metric sheets are organized and accurate first. This will save time later and help ensure the dashboard updates in a useful way. Next, begin adding widgets to the dashboard. Smartsheet gives you several options here, including charts, metric widgets, report widgets, images, and shortcuts. Each widget has a different purpose, so choose the ones that best match the information you want to present. Charts can make trends easier to understand. Metrics are great for highlighting important numbers. Reports can show detailed records. Images can support branding or visual structure. And shortcuts can help viewers navigate to key resources quickly. As you add those widgets, arrange them in a clean and logical layout. Try to place the most important information near the top, where viewers will naturally look first. Group related items together so the dashboard feels organized and easy to scan. A neat layout makes a big difference in how useful the dashboard is. Then use clear titles and thoughtful colors to make everything easier to understand. Titles should tell viewers exactly what they're looking at, and colors should help emphasize meaning without overwhelming the page. Keep the design simple, readable, and consistent. Finally, share the dashboard with the right audience. Before sending it out, make sure the people who need access can view the relevant information. Once shared, your dashboard becomes a powerful way to keep everyone aligned and informed.